Aloha everyone, I'm Oribel Joy Divine. Today I want to share with you a series of Q&A that would help you understand about our planet and the purpose we are here. I'll keep the answers brief and to the point. The goal of this video is to help you understand there is great purpose in the creation of the Earth School and how it has benefited and still is benefiting the spirit world. It is not a place to escape from, far from that. So let's begin. Start of Q&A. Question: why is our planet known as the Earth School? Our souls discovered that the best way for us to learn and grow in experience and self-awareness is to incarnate on a physical plane and play the game of forgetting. And through the life lessons we set up for ourselves, we create the opportunities for us to choose how to respond to others and to any situation. As we learn to overcome our challenges, we'll gain the wisdom from the solutions we'll use to overcome them. And we are given free will to make these choices. With every lesson we learn, we are teaching ourselves. This is how our souls gather experiences, grow in wisdom and awareness through the physical incarnations on Earth. Question: what is the soul's goal in each physical incarnation on Earth? We are here to discover that we are source energy in a physical body on the physical plane. Feel free to change the name to God, Great Spirit, Allah, or whatever. It doesn't really matter. We each call the Creator by different names. That is all. We have free will to decide if we wish to use the power inside us to create benevolence for the planet, or to create destruction for the planet, or to create riches only for ourselves and to keep the others enslaved. And the greatest power from within us is love. Unconditional love. Not the romantic or lust for your partner kind of love, but unconditional love. It's the kind of love a mother has for her child. That is the energy that creates benevolence, that creates worlds. That is the love that can only be expressed from the God inside. And you do this with an open heart chakra. It is a powerful, unconditional, and infinite love. This light of love that resides within each human. Question: how can we best learn our lessons? By discovering that the infinite Creator resides in us, and to see the Creator in everyone and everything, and to be love and offer love every waking moment. When we truly and fully embrace and practice this, learning the lessons becomes automatic, and there is little to no struggle in accomplishing them. This is a criteria for graduating to the fourth density Earth. Another thing I'd like to add is to learn to forgive and do not hold grudges against anyone. Question: how long does this schooling last? It lasted 75,000 Earth years. Our planet, Earth, similar to other inhabited planets in similar star systems, is on a timeline of evolution. Earth completed its 75,000-year cycle of third density as a planet for the schooling of humans at the end of the winter solstice in the year 2012. Right after that, Earth graduated to a fourth density positive planet. Question: is the fourth density Earth also a school for humans? A higher level of schooling perhaps? On fourth density Earth, humans no longer play the game of forgetting. Their goal is to assist others using the experiences they have accumulated from their past physical incarnations on Earth School and also from other lifetimes elsewhere. Question: what happens to those who are still learning their lessons? Can they continue living on fourth density Earth? Not all of Earth's inhabitants are ready to graduate with the planet. The individual humans who have graduated from Earth School by meeting all the criteria have the choice to continue their incarnation with fourth density Earth. Those who still need schooling will continue their next incarnation on another similar third density school planet. And when they meet the criteria to graduate to a positive fourth density planet, they may join the fourth density Earth. The Oversoul will decide on this. End of Q&A. Please take note, our fourth density Earth is in the fifth dimension. Earth is a fourth density planet, and it is also described as a 5D or fifth dimensional planet. Both descriptions are correct. I hope that with this Q&A session, you will come to appreciate all our lessons as they have helped many to progress in their soul evolution. May we be grateful and embrace that cycle as a rite of passage, shall we say, because to me it is just that. And many from higher density planets will continue to visit another third density planet whose inhabitants are playing the game of forgetting and assist them with their lessons. Or they may decide to incarnate themselves in physical form just to assist with its planetary evolution. The universe is teeming with positive entities who wish to be of service to the one infinite Creator through many and varied ways. It is indeed a most benevolent universe. Thank you for watching. I'm Oribel Joy Divine, the New Lemurian. Until my next video, aloha.